Best friend, come along with me as I transform this window from this to this. So beautiful. All right. So you guys, I am about to take down and install my blinds. Y'all know I've been talking about this and they are finally here. So I am now dismantling my new spot. Y'all know I've been talking to y'all about my little praying area. So I am about to take everything down. Well, yeah, everything. I'm about to take these drapes down and redo them, right? And take the blinds down and put up my beautiful, luxurious Tokblinds. Yeah. So let's do that, you guys. That's what we are about to do. So let me get the step ladder. Okay, and we're going to do like one little window at a time. You a demonstration of how everything comes. So this is how it's going to come, packaged in the box. And then it's taped nicely. And I'm just going to take my little knife and cut the plastic like so. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather on this side as well. And I am being very careful not to cut anything that's important. And then you take it out of the foam. And on here it said, please do not remove the seal until your blinds are installed well. Okay? But I'm going to go ahead and remove this, right? Because I want to show you how easy. So this part right here, right, is where this connects. But I also want to show you, you have to remove this foam. And right here, it's where your blinds move. But most of the time, your blinds are already going to come in where they're going to be already programmed to the remote. But this is how simple this is. So it comes with 2 style brackets, okay? And it also comes with this bracket. So this is how it connects, guys. It is so easy. So watch. This is the part. Look at that. So this is the part that goes to the wall right here. And let me show y'all. I'm trying to show y'all. Okay. So this is how it's going to go to the wall. And look at the bottom, how it connects to the wall. Push and hook. Okay. So this part here, it moves. So this is the part, this top part right here is the part that connects, that mounts to the wall. And you just take it and you snap it on like this. Now, this is the same way, but it just don't have this part right here. To the wall. Bam. It's in there. Just that simple. Again, this is the part. Look at the bottom. You put the 2 screws. Snap it. Bam. To the wall. Look at how beautiful this material is. And this is the actual valance. And this is how easy this is. Give you a close-up of how pretty it is. Okay? So now, let me go and put it up. And let's just pop it out. Just like friend. There we go. So listen. Let's do this. So I got 1, 2, 3, right? For the windows. But if you put it on 0, you can control all the windows at the same time. Did you know that? You can control all 3 windows at the same time instead of going 1, 2, 3. You put it on 0 and all of your windows will go up at the same time. Now I'm gonna bring mine back down because it's nighttime and it's nighttime. So tomorrow I am going to come back and I'm going to let you see the rest. But I just wanted you to see this. Make sure when you do your measurements, you measure good so they can just bam, stop on their own. All right, so I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and hang the drapes back up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. What I advise you to do is when you go to get your when you go to get your zebra blinds, zebra shades, make sure that you get the solar panels, because this is the way that you are going to keep it charged. And this is what I recommend, because if you don't, you are going to have to singly charge each one. Suppose to getting the solar panels and letting the sun charge your zebra blinds. So if I'm advising you to get these blinds, this is highly recommended. Please don't purchase blinds without getting the solar panel. So as you can see, this is another style of them. Apparently they come in different styles, because this is a different style as opposed to the ones that I have already, but it doesn't matter as long as it get the job done. Only thing you do is plug this into the motor and stick this on the actual window. That's it, and that's all. Bye. Guys, here we go. So everything is done. I even ended up putting up the panels, the solar panels. All right. And this one is here, and that one is hidden. I think I'm going to go back and hide that one and bring that one further down. But this is what it looks like. And let me show y'all this. So I told y'all I already have, I'm going to put it on 0, and I'm going to bring them all down. What I love about the zebra blinds, y'all know this is all I talk about, is because it is such an upgrade to your windows, to your home. And I love the fact that you could either have them all the way up, all the way down, or you could play peekaboo, you know, where you can bring in as much sunlight as you desire. But you guys know me, I am obsessed with sunlight. So every time I every time I get up in the morning, this is the first thing I do. I open up my blinds, and you can also stop them right here if you want that look. Now, on a rainy day or something, and it's a gloomy day and you don't want to see the outside and you just want a peek, you can also do this look. And as you guys know, I always do this color here is called the dark beige or dark coffee. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, but I love the way that this looks. I love how this feels. And also I created me a nice little area over here so I can really enjoy the outdoors. Now this is one click and you can close them completely where you get absolutely no sunlight. But me being who I am, this is every day for me, up like this. Okay, I even put a lamp over here, a little round table that I've had. All of this stuff, none of this is new but the lamp. And of course the blinds. Okay. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. I've already given you all of the deets about my zebra blinds from Tokblinds. I will have all of the information down below. But let me give you a tour of the space and let you see how everything looks all together. just in case, best friend, you decide to order these blinds, let me show you how to do it. Okay, as always, I want to show you guys how easy it is. So this is what the website looks like, and the name of it is Tokblind. So right here, you have an option to look at all of this. Even if you don't know what you want to do, you can go to inspiration. You can also order swatches. They have accessories. You can find out more about the company. You can get help and all that good stuff. But we're going to fast forward into the motorized shades because that's what you want. Now, you have a choice to do blackout roller shades, like filtering roller shades, zebra blinds, cellular shades, sheer shades, outdoor shades, and so much more. So right here, I got the zebra shades. So let's look at the zebra shades. Okay, so you see here, now if you're not sure what color to get, you can also order swatches. But right here, you can pick motorized zebra blinds, motorized shades, zebra shades, fabric samples. So right here is where you can order the sample. Okay. Right here, let me go into the samples for you first. So you can dig into the samples and add different colors. Right here, you can look at different shades. So you have the dark coffee, black, light gray, dark gray, white, the textured silver, the textured beige, and you can go on and on and on. You guys know I told you I got the dark coffee because that color looked close to what I have in my house already. So now let's go back to the actual shades. Right here, and I'm going to go to the zebra blinds, and I am going to click right here. And right here, this is where I am customizing my blinds. And let me make sure that you guys can see it right. All right, so let's just say you want to get the same thing that I got. I got the dark coffee, and they give you quick tips on how to measure for the mount. So if you want inside mount, you can click this button. They will explain to you in details how to measure. So you can get inside mount or you can get outside mount. I got inside mount. Then here you choose the width, you choose the inches, you choose the height, and you choose the height here. Let's just say I got 36 wide and a half. High and height I got, I'm just hypothetically speaking, 78, and then that's it. Then you come and you confirm your dimensions. So whatever I just put up there, what did I have here? I got a 36 by 36 by 79. Even though you seen up there I had 36 and a half, but you get what I'm saying. And you put the room name if you want to, and they say it's optional. And I'm just gonna put living room just because I want to. And then we're gonna go, if you want a remote control, you can have the option to say none, 1 channel, 15 channels. If you're gonna get multiple blinds, I would always do 15 channels, so you can add up to 15 blinds onto one remote. You have the option to get the smart hub, and you guys know what that is. That's if you want to put it on Alexa and all that stuff. You have the option to get the solar panel, and that's what I got. And then you have the option to get what side you want your motor on. I don't know, I'm a right side girl, I said right side. Also, you have the option to get your valance, whether you want it in black, you want it in white, you want it in beige, you want it in gray. I got mine in beige because my blinds are like a beige color. Or you can get it, I got mine in a dark coffee because that's the color of my valance. So that's what I chose. They asked if you want the extension power cord. Yes. Also, if you want the extended brackets or the ceiling brackets. I got the extended brackets, but they also sent me the ceiling brackets as well. And then oh, right here, if you want to get the service, and that can be optional, you can add it here, and then you just add it to cart. Bam, bam, boom, you add it to cart. And that one blind that I got was $360.99. And here they also confirm everything that I put in here. If you look right here, it shows motorized zebra blinds, the color, the mount, and this is very important. So you need to make sure that you kind of read over this to make sure that everything is right, because you're sending all of the dimensions to them, and that's how easy it is to customize your also blinds. Use my discount code and get 10% off. Best friend, the analytics is telling me that a lot of you guys are watching me from your TV, and that's good. But that doesn't give you an opportunity to subscribe to the channel if you want to. So I created a QR code that brings you directly to my channel that you can scan and you can subscribe to the channel. You can also put your notification bell on so you could be notified every time I upload. So just grab your phone, scan the QR code, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Toodles!